wiring up the compressor 5800 with the pre-plumb cylinder is really straightforward. I'm just going to give you an overview of how that's done. So the front panel will usually be secured by 2 screws. I've already taken those out, and 2 clips on the bottom, and the front panel will come off. The display is secured by 1 screw, but I've already taken it out, and then it just swings over to the left, and there we have all of our electrical connections. Now the mains coming in is already pre-wired, so you just take that to your electrical isolation point. But there's a couple of other things that you'll need to do. Now first off, the weather sensor would be wired into the blue terminal T1. You've also got the CAN bus cable which connects the pre-plumb cylinder to the heat pump. And when you wire that, just make sure you match like for like. So high to high, low to low, ground to ground, and 24 volts to 24 volts. If you've got hardwired controls like this one, it would be on a back plate that has 2 wires, and they go to the orange plug which is labelled bus. It doesn't matter which way around they go. Every compressor 5800 comes with a connected key, and that allows you to wirelessly control the heat pump through the HomeCom Easy app. That key plugs into the bottom of the unit just down here. That key also doubles up as a wireless receiver if you've got any wireless controls for this heat pump.